Bird. Seriously, dude. It was very good though. Twist, soft serve, sugar cone. If you could eat it, you'd have loved it. You would have loved it. Yeah. They don't have birdie ice cream. They don't have birdie ice cream. Yeah? You're sorry now? You can't have milkshakes either. I'll make you an ice cream cone with veggies, fruits, strawberries and blueberries. Mix it together like a smoothie. You can have an ice cream cone. I'll use all your treats. Is that cool? Then you won't be mad, right? Won't yell at me then? Give it a shot? Fist bump? Oh, okay. Cool. Very good job.